In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for Agile project management step by step. If you're running sprints, managing a backlog, or collaborating with a development team, Trello can be a simple yet powerful Agile tool when it's structured the right way. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Agile board with all the essential lists you need to manage tasks efficiently. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then navigate to your Boards page. From here, you can either select an existing board that you want to turn into an Agile board, or create a brand new one by clicking Create and choosing Board. If you're starting fresh, give your board a clear name, like Agile Project Board or Sprint Board, so your team instantly knows its purpose. Once you're inside the board, we're going to set up the structure using lists. Lists represent stages in your Agile workflow. The first list you should create is called Done. This is where completed tasks will live. Having a Done column is essential in Agile because it gives your team visibility over completed work and creates a sense of progress at the end of every sprint. Next, create a list called Current Sprint. This list will contain all the tasks that are committed for the active sprint cycle. In Scrum methodology, this is essentially your sprint backlog. Only tasks that the team has agreed to complete during the sprint should be placed here. After that, create a list named In Progress. This is where tasks move once team members actively start working on them. Moving cards into In Progress signals that work has begun and helps everyone quickly see what's currently being developed or handled. Now create another list called On Hold. This is important for blockers. Sometimes tasks cannot move forward due to dependencies, missing information, or external approvals. Instead of leaving them stuck in progress, moving them to On Hold clearly communicates that attention or clarification is needed. Next, create a list called Next Up. Think of this as your prioritized queue. These are tasks that are ready and refined, but not yet pulled into the current sprint. During sprint planning, you'll typically move cards from Next Up into current sprint based on your team's capacity. After that, create a list called Questions. This list is extremely helpful for Agile teams. Any uncertainties, clarifications, or discussion points can be added here as cards. It keeps communication organized and prevents important questions from getting lost in chats or emails. Now that your structure is ready, it's time to fill the lists with appropriate cards. Start by adding task cards under Next Up or Current Sprint, depending on your workflow. Each card should represent a single task or user story. Make sure to give it a clear title, add a detailed description, assign team members, set due dates, and use labels if needed for priority or task type. As work begins, team members simply drag cards from Current Sprint to In Progress. Once completed and reviewed, move them to Done. If something gets blocked, move it to On Hold until the issue is resolved. This drag-and-drop system is what makes Trello so intuitive for Agile project management. During daily stand-ups, you can quickly scan the board from left to right to understand progress. During sprint planning, pull tasks from Next Up into Current Sprint. And during sprint reviews, analyze what made it into Done and what didn't. This visual workflow keeps everyone aligned and accountable. And that's it. You now have a fully structured Agile project management system inside Trello. Simple, clear, and highly effective for teams of any size. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.